Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. This is Sheva from Berry Mix Bujo over at Instagram. For today, as you can see from the title, I have another journal flip through. This time it's for a journal swap that I had with my friend Victoria. So Victoria is a girl with a butterfly on Instagram and also here on YouTube. I'll link her channel below as well as the beautiful journal that she created for me. She also did the flip through of that one. So I'll link it in the description below. So please do watch that flip through as well. So this is the journal that I made for her. As you can see from the massive butterfly dangly in the front, it's a butterfly keeper's journal because she loves butterflies. So what I did is I tried to cram in as much butterfly ephemera that I can in this journal. So you will see a lot of that here. And she also loves color. If you go to her Instagram account, I'm sure you're following her already. She works with colors in such a romantic way that it just looks good together. So that's what I tried to capture here as well. And while also, of course, adding a little bit of my style into it as well. So that's as much as I can say about the journal. I used a lot of different digital kits for this one, as well as ephemera, scrapbook paper, vintage paper, and things like that. And of course, there's lots of fabrics in this one as well. So I will turn you over to the music and please enjoy the video.
One last ticket before it's gone. One last summer before it's fall. Tune your strings and play your cards. Little words hit me like a game of darts. And you're beating on my drum. And you're beating on my door. Running faster than my dreams. And I can't stop to breathe. One last lie before the truth. One last fight before I lose. I ask myself, where should I go? Did I do enough to feed my soul? And you're beating on my drum. There's something there in the wild, it's a reflection of me. People fight for survival. I'm chasing tails, I'm surrounded. Can't stop for a second to breathe. My thoughts are flowing like water. One day soon I will find. I know I am close. I know I will shine. One day soon I will fly. I know I am free. I'm feeling alive. Take me back to the jungle. Take me back to the jungle. Hey. Take me back to the jungle. The city keeps me distracted, but I know where I should be. Tell my mama I'm leaving. Just take your mask off and join me. I know you're dying to see all the secrets I'm hiding. One day soon I will find. I know I am close. I know I will shine. One day soon I will fly. I know I am free. I'm feeling alive. Take me back to the jungle. Take me back to the jungle. Hey. Take me back to the jungle. I want to get rid of the stress that builds within me. Oh, I want to take off my clothes and hang from a tree. Oh, one day soon I will find. I know I am close. I know I will shine. One day soon I will fly. I know I am free. I'm feeling alive. Take me back to the jungle. Take me back to the jungle.